This is Andrew from Andronica.com showing you the latest version of ActionComplete. Like I said in our review, ActionComplete is a productivity app based on David Allen's Getting Things Done system. So I'm going to take you into an example of my current ActionComplete. So I record action video as an action I'm going to do, and I give it a tag and a project. And whenever you do an action, you want to leave notes for yourself. That's clearly going to define what you're going to do to make your project or your goal become one step closer. I'm going to leave myself a note to say record and edit video as an example. And this is going to be part of my project for the week for Andronica. I'm also going to add a reminder to myself. So whatever time I set, for instance 4:04, when that time comes, my notification bar is going to get a little ActionComplete logo saying, hey, get to work on this. So now I'm going to create another action. This is for example, let's say I was writing a book. I would tell myself, outline book proposal. Now I'm not actually doing this, but I'm still going to create a note to say, alright, draft a proposal based on the notes from Arthur. Arthur is a friend of mine who gives me advice on writing. So now I'm going to say, assign it to the book proposal project. I set the date for this as well. I'm going to set it to another day so I can focus on my Andronica assignments for today. So now I'll set this to a later time, and then I save it, and I'll revisit this later. Okay, now I see a long list of apps, and I realize, hey, I got to sort and filter this. So I apply the tag, and I put book, and I put apply. So now I'm only seeing actions related to my book proposal. I could go in there and see quick notes of what I need to do next, and I'm able to do that because of the filter feature. I'm also able to click on projects and see that I have a wait. Wait is something that holds up a next action or a project. For instance, you give an assignment to someone else, or there's something you're waiting on for it to get done. In this case, I have an intern reviewing local agents that might be interested in my book. I set myself a reminder to say, hey, we need to make sure this is done, because if not, I can't move on to the next action. So I save that and get ready for the next step. And here I'm going to just outline a book proposal and say, yes, I'm done. Okay, now I'm moving around looking what else is left to be done. And I say, okay, I need to find books similar so I know what my next step is. Okay, from time to time, there's going to be stuff that you can't do right away. You still want to make note of them, and you put that in the pending tab. This is the place for your long-term goals, ideas that you want to revisit in the future. For instance, you want to improve the appearance of your house. You can say, okay, in the future, I'm going to create an action for that, or I'm going to create a project with actions so I know what to do. But for now, I just need to keep this stored away and get it out of my head so it's not affecting me. This gives you the chance to focus on what you can immediately do right now, which is important. And finally, I say, okay, I've finished this record video. I can save that, and I can start thinking about the next thing I want to do. For more information on ActionComplete, visit our website at Andronica.com and be sure to read our full review.